Do you ever feel guilty throwing away food scraps? Imagine turning that trash into something valuable. That's the magic of composting. Composting transforms kitchen waste into something amazing. Nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. This natural fertilizer helps plants grow big and strong. Plus, it's good for the environment. Composting reduces waste and helps fight climate change. This essay is your guide to composting in 2025. We'll explore different methods, troubleshoot common problems, and share tips for success. Whether you have a backyard or a tiny apartment, there's a composting method for you. It's time to heal our planet. Our planet needs our help. Food waste in landfills releases harmful greenhouse gases. Composting is a simple yet powerful solution. By composting, we keep organic waste out of landfills. This reduces methane emissions, a major contributor to climate change. Plus, compost enriches the soil. This reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, which can harm the environment. In 2025 and beyond, composting is no longer just a gardening trend. It's a responsibility we all share to protect our planet. Composting doesn't have to be complicated. There are many methods, each suitable for different lifestyles. Let's explore some popular options. Backyard composting. This classic method uses a simple bin or pile. It's perfect for homeowners with yard space. Vermicomposting. This method uses worms to break down food waste. It's ideal for apartments or smaller spaces. Electric composters. These high-tech composters speed up the process using heat and aeration. They're great for those who want quick results. Community composting. Many communities offer composting programs. This is a convenient option if you lack space or time for home composting. No matter your living situation, there's a composting method that fits your needs. Choose one that works for you and your lifestyle. The science of decomposition. Let nature do its thing. Composting might seem magical, but it's all thanks to tiny decomposers. These microscopic helpers break down organic matter. They transform food scraps and yard waste into valuable nutrients. Think of these decomposers as nature's recyclers. They thrive in a balanced environment. This means providing them with the right mix of greens, like nitrogen-rich materials such as food scraps, and browns, like carbon-rich materials such as dry leaves. Maintaining proper moisture and aeration is also crucial. Turning your compost pile regularly helps provide oxygen to these hard-working decomposers. This speeds up the decomposition process. Compost troubleshooting. Don't let hiccups stop you. Even seasoned composters face challenges. Here are some common problems and how to solve them. My compost smells bad. This usually means it's too wet or lacks oxygen. Turn the pile more often and add more brown materials. I see fruit flies around my compost. Don't worry, it's normal to attract some critters. Cover your food scraps with brown materials to deter them. My compost is taking forever to break down. Ensure you have a good balance of greens and browns. Chop up larger pieces into smaller ones to speed up decomposition. Remember, composting is a natural process. It requires patience and observation. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach as needed. Compost like a pro tips and tricks for black gold success. Ready to take your composting to the next level? These pro tips will help you create the most nutrient-rich compost. Diversity is key. Just like a balanced diet is good for you, a variety of materials benefits your compost. Chop it up. Smaller pieces decompose faster. Use a shredder or simply chop up larger materials before adding them to your compost. Keep it moist. Your compost should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Water it when necessary, especially during dry periods. Be patient. Composting takes time. Depending on the method and conditions, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Embrace the composting journey. Your garden will thank you. Composting is more than just a gardening technique. It's a rewarding journey of transforming waste into something valuable. It's about connecting with nature and taking responsibility for our environmental impact. Start your composting journey today. Your garden, your community, and our planet will thank you for it.